Look who's sleeping. It's the letter. Let's try to wake it up.
It's my job to wake everyone up, but today I forgot how. Oh no!
Maybe we need something bright and shiny to wake up. Something that starts with the sound. Can you think of anything? That's right, the sun.
Haze, rise and shine. Or should I say, rise and shine.
Oh, hello, sun. You're always so bright and shiny in the morning. Thanks for waking me up. And by the way, you start with me. The sound.
Thanks, son. Now I remember. I wake up with the third cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oops. Seems like our rooster friend is having a funny voice day. But that's okay. We learned our sound for today. Thanks for waking me up, everyone. Remember, whenever you see the sun in the sky, think of me, the sound. Why not call us today on 01924 50 60 10. Alternatively, you can call us on our mobile or WhatsApp 0795 1918152 or email us on info@improvetuition.org. We can improve anyone, anywhere and in any subject.